Namaste, welcome to Bharti Niwas. Today we are celebrating our 80th Indian Independence Day, and from our team Bharti Niwas and our residents, we would like to celebrate with you guys, and I would love to take you on a tour to show you how we are celebrating our Independence Day. Let's go with me. We are celebrating a very nice independence celebration at our Bharti Niwas. I would like to take you on a tour. It's just a pre-glance of what we'll be doing. Stay tuned with us for entire program. We'll be sending you all the updates on all our social media platform. I have Tushar Uncle. He's our AED. He has put a lot of effort to make this happen, and let's proudly go and show you how and what we are doing. Let's go.
सबने स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामना सबको स्वतंत्रता दिन 80वां स्वतंत्रता दिन की शुभकामनाएं।
Here we are going to do a very nice ramp walk with our residents representing different state, different culture. We are very excited to show them that this is the culture of India and our community. We are very excited. I hope you guys are all excited as well to see this program. Let's move forward.
हम भी प्रांतों को प्रतिनिधित्व देते हुए आज के पूरे कार्यक्रम को चलाएंगे आगे। जैसे तेजल जी ने कहा, all the states are involved. Going forward. So this is what we are representing here: the culture, the heritage, the ancient as well as the kingly culture that India always had. This is the glimpse of Jaipur Palace. Our ramp walk is absolutely incorporated with that, as if like we're gonna come from Palace, going into the palace.